Okay. So I need to bring my waste from the basement up to the first level. So we're in the basement level and first level, basement level. So in order to do that, this pipe has to go to a sump pit, right? So without getting into any kind of details, what I'm gonna do is just bring this pipe up from the basement. Let's go, I'm gonna go 20 feet and apply that up. So I'm gonna assume that it's going through the sump pit and it's gonna go up to the first level and it's coming out here. Okay. Now, what I want to do, I don't want it to come up through the floor, right? So I want to copy this pipe and I'm gonna place it where I want it to come up through this wall. So let's go back to the basement level. So it's here. I think that what I'm gonna do is show this section, okay, and let's give it some more room up, okay. And so our pipe is here. This is the riser that I need, right? And let's look at this. Okay, and erase here. So this pipe goes to a sump pit, okay? And it goes through the pit, but I'm not gonna draw it out. I'm not gonna give it any kind of details. I'm gonna just leave that alone and bring the pipe up through up to the first level, okay? So let's go back here, and I don't like that I'm sloping this, but I'm doing it. I shouldn't do that, but just go here, and I'm gonna go here, okay? So, and go back to the section. So this section, and fillet this section there. Okay. Now, so this pipe is in the basement. It goes through the sump pit and comes back up from the sump pit, but I didn't show it in any kind of details. So what I can do is you can put a note on here and come up and say, let's say 4-inch waste up from sump pit. Okay. So we can do that. Let's just do that. Okay. And let's just kind of move it over a little bit. Okay, and that's our vent. Let's go back. I could put a note on here. This is our vent. And our vent is coming up through the floor. I don't want it coming up through the floor. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to place it where we want and then reverse engineer the piping, okay? Let's copy here. And I want it to come up through that wall, okay? So let's go back, and it's coming up there. Let's go to section view again. This is why the section view is always a good idea, because it gives you a good look at your pipes. Okay, that's my pipe. I guess I can do that. And erase this guy. Go back. It's okay. Pa, 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 pa. Can I bring it down some? Yeah, I think I can bring that down. Yeah. Okay. Let's do this. Okay, I think I can do this. And that's sloping. I don't want that to slope. Pipe, no slope. Pipe, no slope. Okay. And let's go, I'm gonna go 20 and apply. Let's see. Okay, and I think I can take it over just a little bit. Okay. So now we got our waste coming up from some pit and our vit up from below. Let's label that one too. Two-inch vent from below. Okay. So that takes care of that. Let's go back and make sure we got that. Okay, section. Okay, we got that. Everything looks good. Okay. Now waste. First level. Okay. So we're gonna need to tie in the sump pit to all of this, these fixtures. Okay. So, let's see. I think that let's look at this section. Let's look at this. Where's okay. This section, and what I need to do, let's pipe up all of these guys. Let's rotate here. I think that I'm going to spaces, rooms, turn those off. Select. Okay. Rotate. I could do a -90. Okay. And let's look at the back-to-back section. And this is the section view. Okay, 1/2. I'm gonna go here. Okay. And Let's see. This is gonna be a back-to-back, so let's look at our properties, make sure everything's sanitary, and that's gonna be a vent, but it's not a vent, it's sanitary. Okay, let's change that to sanitary. Okay. And we're gonna go here, up, like this. Let's look at our properties again. T reducing vent, and I think that I want a T reducing sanitary. Okay, okay. Now let's go here, here. Let's bring this, let's draw this guy out. Okay, and go up. Of course, this is gonna be in this plumbing chase, but it's gonna have a carrier. What I'm trying to do is, okay. Oh man, this one. Draw a pipe. Okay. Now let's cap this guy. And we should get 12 fixture units out of this. Okay. Let's do the same for the next set. Do I need the basement anymore? No, I don't need the basement anymore. Let's go back. Okay, that looks good, but I'm gonna change this. Okay. Let's do this. Do the same thing. This section. Do the same thing. Sanitary, sanitary system type. Everything looks good. No slope. Okay. This guy, come over here. And let's connect again. Get in a little closer. Uh-oh, I didn't like that connection. Let's try it again. Let's go back. That looks good. That's better. Okay. Draw a pipe. Let's cap this guy so we can get our fixture count. 12, 12, 12, 12. Okay, that looks good. Okay, and let's look at our urinal back to back with the toilet. Let's do this. Now the urinal, it's gonna come out at the ADA appliance is and I'm gonna show the trap. Okay, and a lot of the times it depends on the urinal. The trap is in this area, but I'm gonna show it. And let's take it off. It's usually the outlet is 12 inches from the floor, and the lip is like 17. So let's do this here. Okay, here, and I'm gonna bring it down to be 12 inches. Okay, that's gonna be that. I'm gonna leave that there. So let's go back. I'm gonna need to do the same for this urinal. Okay. Let's look at the section here. Let's go back so we can get a good identical line in here. Section 2. And let's here. Okay. So that looks good. Let's go back here. Let's do the same. Okay, section. And we're coming down. Sanitary, system type sanitary, that looks good. And let's bring in our trap. That's gonna be 12, right? DL here, 1. And here. Okay. What I could do, oh, here we go. Yeah, okay, I think I know what I'm gonna do. This one, I need to go back and make this guy 12 section. Right? That's 12, but I need to line it up from here to there. Oh, wait. I'll line it up from here to there. Yeah, that looks good. So that both of these guys are on the same page. See? Yeah, okay. Because what I want to do is draw this pipe with no slope. I'm going to bring it out just enough. Okay. And do this. Bring this out like that. Let's cap it. Is that a 2-inch? Yeah, okay. And the same. Okay, I think I'm gonna stop it here, and I'll talk to you guys later.